This side is written in Tibetan language. 50 pound each. So we are 8 people. So we got the 400 pound ticket and 100 remain. Thank you.
Sorry, it's not pound, it's rupees.
Rupees. Sorry. Now we are going to. It's on the cliff of the mountain. So we are walking toward the monastery. It's called Thikse Monastery, one of the prominent and well-known among the Buddhists in Leh Ladakh, not only in Leh Ladakh, but around the world. Office of Thikse Culture, Society and Welfare. Let's go up the stair. It's not an easy task to go top of the monastery. I'm already tired. You can see the building structure is totally Ladakhi Leh structure, mainly built on wooden. You will find this pillar is a wooden pillar. Saul, they use saul wood. This is courtyard. In all religious place in Buddhist monastery, you have a certain place you have to take off your shoes to proceed up a stair in main courtyard of the monastery. Let's go to see main courtyard. What will be inside?
Stop, karo. I'll click yours. They're very, very small.
This is the main courtyard. We couldn't speak inside because it's a silent zone, and according to the religious people, they were not allowed to speak anything else rather than religious chanting. So I think this is the oldest part. This is the first part of the monastery that it's built thousands of years before. You can, and that's a new development. That's Sri Devi Temple. So you can see I'm really tired because I think I'm on 15,000 foot from the sea level. This is closed, unfortunately. I think this part is closed. Let's go to another fort.
That is also closed.
This is the oldest part of the monastery. Jasin Lakhang, please remove your shoes. But it is, we already removed our shoes. I think I really enjoy to explore, particularly uniqueness of any place, like this temple. Hello. Inside temples.
Yeah, that you change it in the quarter. Change for
What's important of this temple? We call it monastery or temple. What's better to call?
This is temple.
Temple.
Yeah.
So what's the difference between this temple and that? What's your name, sir?
My name is Tansin Shira.
Tansin
So
Sharaf.
this is the oldest temple.
Okay.
The 14th century temple.
Okay.
So here you can find the center one is Vajra Bhairav.
Okay.
So god of wisdom.
Okay.
And right side is a Mahakala.
Mahakala.
Yeah, a god of compassion.
Okay.
And that side Yamraj, the god of death.
Okay.
Yes, सभी जो है ना Buddhism tantric forms.
I say Buddhism tantric. That's why
So
I
that's
wanted to,
very physical.
because majority of time whenever I went to monastery, I visited so many monasteries and temples.
Yeah.
I found it's a centralized with Buddha
Yeah.
a statue. So these are also part of the Buddhism religion.
Buddhism Vajrayana.
Vajrayana.
Vajrayana
One is Nahayana.
Actually, Buddhism three ways: Mahayana,
Yeah.
Hinyan,
Hinyan.
Vajrayana.
Vajrayana.
And Tibetan and Himalayan side, the Vajra, Mahayana and Hinyan, and its teachings combined.
Okay, so that's Vajrayana.
Yeah.
So Tibetan and Himalayan, so you are the follower of Vajrayana.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you.
giving your time.
Thank you.
And we are making vlog on our YouTube channel, that's Knowledge of UK. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Going to be connected. We are getting out from the other side. It's a private chambers of Lama, monks. This is religious symbol and trying to explore different part of the monastery. I don't know, this is it looks like the oldest part of monastery. Let's see what we can see inside. I usually like to explore the history. Somehow, all the religious place you feel peace and very calm. Usually flag they use in both the religion, particularly Tibetan Tibetan sect of Buddhist religion, they use this kind of flag. I have no idea what is this, but something important. It's a library of monastery. Now it's a closed, but you can get more information about Buddhism, particularly Tibetan sect of Buddhism. Beautiful views of Ladakh. That's the Himalaya range all over, and the city situated on the foot of Himalaya, and we are on the top of monastery. We are going out from the temple. It was really nice and peaceful moment. I enjoyed, and I hope through the videos you guys also enjoy this moment. Thank you for watching our channel Knowledge Hub UK. Please like and subscribe. Help us to bring more and more video. Encourage us to like and subscribe. Thank you.